In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to avoid shaky lines in Procreate, how to set up your brush correctly, and how to create smooth, clean, and curved sketch lines. So let's get started. Let's start by refining the sketch lines. As you can see here, I've sketched this banana, but I'm not completely happy with the lines. To make the sketch smoother and more curved, I will go to the layers, create a new layer, and I will lower the first sketch line opacity, and I will start sketching the refined lines on a new layer using the same brush. Here I will follow the lines as you see, and I'll try to keep them very clean and smooth. This makes my sketch cleaner and easier to work with when I start coloring, and it helps me get rid of messy or unwanted lines. As a beginner, this step is really helpful because it lets you redraw your lines calmly and without pressure. You don't need to be perfect at the first time, but you have to try. The second method for getting smooth lines in Procreate is using Quick Shape. Simply hold your pencil at the end of a stroke and Procreate will snap the line into a clean curve or a perfectly straight line. Then tap Edit Shape at the top of the screen to adjust it. You can move the anchor points to refine the shape and align it exactly the way you want. Here, for example, I can tap on Edit to stretch or make the shape smaller and adjust it to get the perfect shape. Here I'm adjusting the circle as well, and I can move it anywhere I want. The third method for smoothing your line is using stabilization. For this, I'll tap on brushes, duplicate the brush, and go to stabilization and increase the amount of it to the max. I will try the line here. As you see, the brush became smoother. Once I'm happy, I tap on done and I start enjoying my smooth brush. This allows me to adjust a single brush. You can smooth every brush line going to Actions, Preferences, then scroll down to Pressure and Smooth, and here you will find Stabilization. Increase it and enjoy the smooth line for all brushes. To show you the last method, I will draw these lines. As you can see, they are messy and go outside the sketch. I will now go to Adjustments, choosing Liquify and set it on Push mode. Here I will adjust the pressure and the size, and I'll start nudge the lines as you see. I'll keep nudging the lines to follow the sketch and remove any extras. If you want more, I have a lot of tutorials and I will include the links to show you how I sketch or refine my sketch lines. And that's it. Hope that was useful. If you have any other methods, please share them in the comments below. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.